Imagine switching on your computer, and instead of being greeted by slow boot times, forced updates, ads inside your start menu, expensive subscriptions, and heavy RAM usage. You enter a world that looks familiar like Windows but operates smoother, lighter, faster, and far more customizable. No product keys, no activation, no cloud binding requirements, no hardware lockdown, just pure freedom. Today we travel into that world, a world of Linux distros designed not only to look like Windows, but in many ways to surpass it. Throughout this entire journey, we will uncover 12 distributions that capture the visual comfort of Windows while delivering the power, privacy, speed, and control that only Linux users truly understand. This isn't a simple list. It's a story about liberation from limitations, about discovering that your PC is capable of more than you were ever allowed to see under proprietary walls. And we begin by imagining you sitting at your desk. Maybe you're tired of Windows updates that restart your system when you least expect them. Maybe you're frustrated by ads appearing in the start menu, or how the OS keeps pushing Microsoft accounts even if you want to stay offline. Maybe your old laptop struggles to breathe, fans spinning like turbines just to open Chrome. Or maybe you're just curious, wondering whether switching is worth it. What if I told you there are Linux distros that feel almost identical to Windows visually? The start menu, the taskbar, the file explorer yet deliver performance that Windows often never manages to give. That's what this script will take you through. Picture Zorin OS first, sleek, polished, modern. It mirrors the Windows layout so well that most first-time switchers begin using it in minutes, like they've known it forever. The taskbar rests calmly at the bottom. The start menu opens smoothly, neatly listing apps exactly where you'd expect. You can select a Windows-style layout through Zorin Appearance. If you want a Windows 7 look, click. If you want a Windows 11 layout, click. Everything is intuitive. No learning curve. But the beauty lies behind the interface. Zorin is lightweight. It boots fast. Multitasking feels smooth even on older hardware. You open the software store, install apps without needing accounts or licenses, and the system stays clean. There are no hidden processes mining data or slowing down your RAM. No pop-ups suggesting subscriptions. And if you need Windows software, Zorin integrates Wine and bottles with ease. Many .exe applications run surprisingly well. Steam Gaming works thanks to Proton. Suddenly the fear of leaving Windows begins fading, replaced with excitement. But what if someone wants something almost indistinguishable from Windows 11 visually? That's where Windows FS, also called Linux, enters. You could put it next to a Windows desktop and a casual viewer may not tell the difference. Rounded corners, fluent style icons, center taskbar, similar animations, similar settings, layout. But unlike Windows, it doesn't force login accounts. It doesn't push Edge or Bing. It respects your choices. It runs smoother, especially on mid-range hardware. Software installs quickly and cleanly, and because it's Linux, no intrusive telemetry tracks what you do. You can theme, customize, tweak anything, something Windows tries to discourage. Then imagine Kubuntu with KDE Plasma, a system that feels like Windows but with a power Windows never gives you. KDE is like a dream for nearly every pixel of your desktop can be modified. Want a Windows-style taskbar? Done. Want a classic menu like Windows 7? Easy. Want a centered menu like Windows 11? Moments away. You can place widgets on desktop, monitor hardware, add dynamic wallpapers, transparency, blur, effects, yet KDE remains shockingly lightweight. Windows 11 might eat gigabytes of RAM sitting idle, but KDE systems often idle under 1 gig. Imagine gaming here. Proton and Steam unlock thousands of titles. KDE responsiveness makes gameplay feel smooth. If you're a creator, you run OBS, DaVinci Resolve, Blender, GIMP. No forced updates. No interruptions. Then there's Linux, Mint, Cinnamon. Not a clone visually, but familiar enough for Windows users to settle into instantly. It's built for simplicity. The panel at the bottom, menu left aligned, system tray right side, file manager intuitive. Mint is famous because it just works. Updates are controlled by you, not forced. You install once, and the OS remains stable for years. Cinnamon themes transform Mint into a Windows-like environment with only a few clicks. Mint Software Manager is beginner-friendly, not filled with ads or paid apps. Everything is open. Next step for an OS, based on KDE but polished with curated design choices, smooth gradients, refined icons, elegant animations. It feels like a modern version of Windows with taste. The layout mimics Windows but offers customization way beyond it. It supports Flatpak, Snap, DEB. It just gives freedom. For new users switching from Windows for an OS, feels comfortable. For experienced users, it feels powerful. Then Q4 OS arrives with its Trinity desktop reminiscent of classic Windows XP 7 ER. It's insanely lightweight, perfect for old machines, offices, libraries, and anyone who loves retro style. File Manager opens instantly. Start menu resembles nostalgic design. It makes old PCs fly. Imagine a dusty laptop thought useless becoming fast again thanks to Q4 OS. Peppermint OS, minimal, flexible, cloud-oriented, perfect for old laptops. It can be themed into a Windows-style layout. Easily web apps integrate smoothly, making light work seamless. It's ultra. Think of a machine crawling under Windows, suddenly feeling fresh. Ubuntu Mate stable, traditional desktop similar to Windows Classic look. Mate Tweak allows layout switching. Office users love it. Students love it. Beginners adapt. It's like Windows that respects your time. Reactus experimental but fascinating. An attempt to run Windows software natively without Windows. Someday it could be revolutionary. Not daily driver yet, but a vision worth mentioning. Shaleo's made for those who miss Windows 7 aesthetics. Blue glossy interface, start menu, rounded panels, perfect for nostalgia lovers. Linux Lite, XFCE, desktop, simple and Windows friendly. Great for low-end hardware, reliable for offices and home users. And then there's Nobara and Bazite gaming focused. They look like modern Windows once themed, but run games shockingly well. Nobara patched for gaming performance. Bazite built with SteamOS tech. Gamers switching from Windows find comfort in them. Thousands of games playable. Less crash, less overhead. Now imagine using one of these systems as your main OS. You boot up fast. Updates install when you choose. No ads, no tracking. Your RAM stays free for your tasks, not background services. Your old laptop runs like new. Your new PC runs even faster. You open LibreOffice or OnlyOffice for documents. Use GIMP instead of Photoshop, Keydenlive instead of Premiere VS Code for coding. And when you need Windows apps, you run them with Wine or Bottles. Many games run through Proton. Linux has evolved. Think deeper, freedom. In Linux, your desktop belongs to you. In Windows, it feels like you belong to the system. Linux lets you theme the taskbar, change icons, swap kernels, move menus, run servers, edit system components, customize boot screens, everything open, no locked registry, no mandatory cloud connections, no key activation, no Windows is not genuine warnings. Your system lives without chains. Now imagine daily life after switching. You wake up, powered on PC, log in instantly. No waiting minutes for background services. You launch browser, smooth. You open multiple tabs, RAM still free. You play music, no lag. You render video, system stable. You install apps, one click. No restart unless kernel updates. Gaming sessions are stable, FPS often equal or higher. Your rostoes ni ti begu to try Bing. It doesn't push S pop-ups. It doesn't warn about subscriptions. You feel calm. You feel in control. When friends visit, they look at your desktop and say, nice Windows setup. And you smile because it's Linux. And you think to yourself, this is how computers should feel. Mine. So today, if you're considering leaving Windows, these 12 Linux distros open doors. Zorin OS 4, polished design. Windows Fests for incredibly close mimic. Kubuntu and KDE for deep customization. Linux Mint for simplicity and stability. Furin OS for a modern aesthetic. Q4 OS and Shaleos for classic nostalgia. Peppermint and Linux Lite for older PCs, Ubuntu Mate for a traditional interface. Nobara and Bazite for gamers. And Reactoise representing future compatibility dreams. Any of these distros can make your PC faster, cleaner, and freer than Windows ever allowed. The decision is yours. Performance or restrictions. Freedom or lock-in, open future or controlled ecosystem. If you've been scared of switching, don't be. Download an ISO, try live mode without installing. Feel the difference. You may never go back. Make today the day you discover computing without walls, without forced control. A day where your PC works for you, not a corporation. A day where your operating system respects you. This is Linux that looks like Windows, but better, much better.